So let us see what is electrochemistry. So electrochemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the chemical applications of electricity. It mainly deals with the chemical reaction produced by passing electric current through an electrolyte or the production of electric current through chemical reactions. So what is a conductor? A conductor is a substance or a material that allows electric current to pass through it. So the ability of a material to conduct electric current is called conductance. Let us say an example: metals, graphite, fused salts, aqueous solutions of acids, bases, etc. So what is non-conductor? Material which do not conduct electric current are called non-conductors or insulators. Examples: plastics, wood, most of the non-metals, etc. So types of conductors. The conductors are broadly classified into two types as follows: metallic conductors or electronic conductors. Metallic conductors are solid substances which conduct electric current due to the movement of electrons from one end to the another end. Electrolytic conductor. Electrolytic conductors are conductors which conduct electric current due to the movement of ions in solution or in fused state. The conduction increases with the increase of temperature. When we see the example, acids, bases, and other electrovalent substances are examples of this electrolytic conductors. When we compare the metallic conductors with electrolytic conductors, metallic conductors are conductors which involves the flow of electrons in a conductor, whereas electrolytic conduction, it involves the movement of ions in a solution. So in metallic conduction, it does not involve any transfer of matter, whereas in electrolytic conduction, it involves transfer of electrolyte in the form of ions. Conduction decreases with the increase in temperature in metallic conduction, whereas conduction increases with increase in temperature in electrolytic conduction. There is no change in chemical properties of the conductor in the metallic conduction, whereas chemical reaction occur at the two electrodes in electrolytic conduction. So we shall see the basic terms involved in electrochemistry. So what is current? So current is the flow of electron through a wire or any conductor. So electrode is a material or a metallic rod or bar or strip which conduct electrons. So an anode. So anode is the electrode at which oxidation occurs, whereas cathode is the electrode at which reduction occurs. Electrolyte is a water-soluble substance forming ions in solution and conduct electric current. Redox reaction. When both oxidation and reduction reactions occur simultaneously during a reaction, it is called redox reaction. So oxidation potential. The tendency of an electrode to lose electron when it is in contact with the solution of its own ions is termed as oxidation potential. The tendency of an electrode to gain electron when it is in contact with solution of its own ion is termed as reduction potential. Redox reaction. So reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, it is called redox reaction. Here let us take an example of a zinc. It loses electron to form zinc 2 plus ion, so it is oxidation. Similarly in copper, the electron which are lost by the zinc is taken up by copper, so it forms copper. So let us see the overall reaction. Zinc gives zinc 2 plus 2 electron, whereas cuprous ion gets the liberated electron from zinc to form copper. So the overall reaction is zinc plus copper 2 plus ion, they form zinc 2 plus and copper. Let us see what is a cell. A cell is a device which converts electrical energy into chemical energy or chemical energy into electrical energy. Usually a cell contains two half cells. Each half cell consists of an electrode dipped in an electrolytic solution. These two half cells are connected through one wire. There are two types of cells, electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell. Electrolytic cells are the cells in which electrical energy is used to bring about the chemical reaction. Example, electrolysis, electroplating, etc. Electrochemical cells, which are also called as galvanic cells, these are cells in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Example, Daniell cell.